Well, time to start the day. Let me just get my bed all ready and get my favorite slippers. Here I go. I think I'll take a bath first. Let me just open the water and ready to go. Closing the water. It is so much fun to take a bath in the morning, especially if it is a bubble bath. I really love it. Let me see. Here's my favorite bathrobe. Let me just go ahead and brush my teeth. Little bit of toothpaste. And I'm ready. Now let's see. I need to blow dry my hair. And I need to get my makeup done. I think it will be easy. Usually I go to the hair salon, but I can do it on my own. And now to brush my hair. And I look great! I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of cream and then makeup. And now my favorite lipstick. I am ready for the day. Let me see. I'm going to choose my clothes now. I think I'll wear these. And also this black dress. And I think it looks gorgeous. Now I'm going to put on this coat. And my shoes, of course. And I'm ready for work. Although I don't think that I have enough time to make breakfast. So let me just take my purse and I'll be out of here. Let me think which purse goes together with this outfit. And I think I'll take my black purse. I'm going to go and catch breakfast on the run. Bye-bye, everybody! Hi guys, and welcome to simplekidscrafts.com. My name is Merve, and on today's video we used a whole bunch of the things that I had made. And I made the couch, I made the bed that you can see right here for Barbie. That was about 3 years ago when I made this bed and that couch. I also made this shoe closet, if you want to call it that. Everything is handmade and recycled. And I made some of the shoes, about 50% of the shoes that are here, the sandals and everything else. And let me just put this back. I made these little slippers that you can see right here. I made the purses that you see right here, the purse that Barbie has on. And I also made her dress. And all of the clothing, well, most of the clothing that you see on the actual closet. I also made the closet, and this rug is a piece of felt. Let me see here. I made the big art case that you can see in the back. And I also made all of the makeup that Barbie used on the video. So we have the makeup right here on the back. I made the lipstick, the mirror, the perfumes, and also the rug on the bottom there is another felt piece. Everything in the bathroom I made myself using recycled bottles. And well, guys, these are all handmade things. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.